Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Wow, I have not sat down here and filmed in so long that it literally feels crazy. Okay, guys, something so exciting happened. About a month ago, actually, I got an email from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the makeup brand, and they actually added me to their PR list, which is insane. Never thought that would happen. Like at the beginning of the year, I wrote down goals for the year, and that was one of the only ones I had, which is insane. I did not think it would actually happen yet with the amount of followers I have and stuff, but they're just so awesome, and they don't really care about your followers. They very openly talk about how they care more about the actual artistry behind the people that are on their PR list, which is insane. So they send out a huge welcome package, which I actually have not gotten yet because they added so many people that it's taking forever. But yesterday I actually got in the mail this box, and guys, this is the summer collection that they just dropped. I am going to open this up and we're gonna look at the products and try them out and just review them. I want to show you guys everything, swatch everything, and then I'm gonna do a little look. So I'm super excited. This is literally insane. I cannot thank Anastasia and Norvina and Natalia and their whole team enough. This is literally a dream come true. I can't believe that I have these in my hands. What in the world? What is happening? Yeah, super grateful, but I just wanted to show you guys in case you guys want to go out and purchase some products so you have some knowledge about them. So if you guys want to see the ABH summer collection, then go ahead and keep watching. First, I'm just gonna show you guys everything, and then we'll get into doing a look, which I'm super excited about. I haven't played with any of them yet. Okay, so first up is this matte lipstick set, and so there's 4 little mini lipsticks in here, and this is retailing for $21. Super pretty colors, warm summery colors, so let's get into that. Okay, so they each are in these little white tubes with this rose gold color, so everything's white, and it's a gold with a hint of rose. I don't even know, but anyway, so this is what they look like. This is the size, if you can see. Okay, so this first color is called Orange Blossom. This is just a super pretty orangey nude. I think it's gorgeous for the summer. Again, just a matte color. Yeah, just really pretty, warm, orangey. Love it. Okay, next, this color is called Coconut. I think this is gonna be my favorite. I love the brownie warm nudes. It's just so pretty. It has a little bit of a purpley tint to it, but it's just so brown and warm and yummy, so I'm really excited about that guy. Okay, so the next two are really interesting because they are matte lipsticks, but they have glitter in them. They're not shimmery, they have glitter in them, which is kind of cool actually. This one's called Lychee, I think is how you pronounce it. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's just a kind of more, it's leaning a little bit more pink, and it has this really pretty glitter in it, and I just think it's really pretty for the summer as well. These are just really nice shades. I'm really excited to test all these out. And then lastly, this shade is called Guava. So this again is really similar to the first one. It's a really bright and light colored peachy, orangey, nude color, and it has glitter in it just like the last one. So that is the lipstick set. 4 lipsticks, really pretty colors, really pretty formula. Yes. In the PR package, they also sent these cute little temporary flash tattoos. There's little gold tattoos that you can put on, which are super cute, so I thought I'd show you guys. I'm pretty sure there's a limited amount of PR packages that are for sale if you want it, so that comes in it. Okay, next up we have the pigments. So it came in this really pretty box, which is a really nice box as well, and then it just slides open, and there are all the pigments. So they are selling this whole thing for $90, or you can buy individual pigments for $22. And guys, these are huge pigments, so big. Okay, so there are 5 shades. So the first one is called Icy. Okay, so this really is such a pretty color. It's just that classic icy white shimmery color, so pretty. I'm excited to use this for inner corner, brow bone. I think that'll be really pretty. Next up, this one is called Crystal. So kind of similar to the first one. It's a really light color, but it has a little bit of a champagne pinky tint instead of that starch white. Okay, this next one is called Daiquiri, and I think this one's my favorite. It is so cool. It's pink and it has a gold shift, which is so freaking cool. Okay, I don't know if you can really see it that well in the swatch, but it's literally so pretty. I think this is gonna be so fun to play with because it's like the pink to gold. Ugh, it's amazing. I love it. Next one is called Sand. This is like your true like rose gold. Super pretty. I think they nailed the color with this. It's not too pink, it's not too gold. It's like perfect. That champagne-y rose gold color. I think it's gonna be so pretty for so many looks. Okay, and then last but not least, this one is called Desert. And I really think this is like the showstopper. This is like a really pretty rich copper color. And like I swatched it and I was like, oh, okay. This copper is just like so creamy and pretty. So yes, those are all 5 of the pigments. I am so excited about them. I am super excited. I think for bridal, they will be so gorgeous. I work at a studio, so I do a lot of brides, but I think it's just such gorgeous, pretty, like natural colors. And it's exciting that they're loose pigments because it's something new from ABH that we don't have already. So really excited about those. And one last thing about the pigments. So you open up the cap and then something really useful. There is a sifter and there is a little plastic piece covering the sifter. So you have a little lid and a sifter, which is nice as opposed to it just being open. Of course you can take it off if you want it open, but super nice. Alright guys, and lastly, my favorite. Okay, first of all, they always like go above and beyond with their packaging, but like look at this box. Like what? So freaking pretty. And then you open it, it's magnetic, so. And here we are. So this is the Shimmer Body Oil, and this is just like the prettiest presentation ever. Right, so this guy is retailing for $38. This is a body oil with gold glitter in it. You get 1.5 fluid ounces. So you open up the cap and you have a spray thing. So it's not like an oil like dropper or anything, it's a spray. So basically this is for the summer if you want to spray it all over your body, your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your legs. It's just super pretty, reflective in the sunlight, and just makes you look so glowy and pretty. So I'm just gonna spray some on my arm. Here you can look at my fingers and kind of see. Oh yeah, I don't think you can really see it on camera that well, but it's so friggin' pretty. It's just kind of subtle and it smells so good. It smells like summer, tropical, kind of like coconutty, but not too much. Okay, so that is all of the summer collection. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do a look. So if you guys want to see that, let's get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my brows with the Anastasia brow definer and clear brow gel, and then I carved them out with Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyes, and then I just went in with a couple of brown shades from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and cut out my crease with Tarte Shape Tape. So I just went ahead and did this so we didn't have to watch and we could just get straight on into the products we're talking about today. So I decided I'm going to use 2 pigments. I'm going to use Sand and Desert. So the rose gold and the copper. We're going to do the rose gold on the inner half and the copper on the outer half. So let's go ahead and get these on. Okay, so I'm just picking up some of Sand on a flat brush and we're just gonna start patting that in. I left my concealer wet and tacky so that it sticks the best. And okay guys, already right off the bat, how gorgeous is that? Okay, so we have it kind of on the first half of the eye. So dang pretty. Just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so I have Sand on the first half of each eye. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna take a little bit of Desert, which is that copper color, and I'm gonna be really light-handed with this color because it is so pigmented. So I'm starting just on the outer part of the eyelid, and we're gonna kind of start to blend that in. I want a little bit less of this than Sand on the lid. Now that I have that pigment just kind of placed down, obviously it doesn't look that good because it's not like blended in. I just kind of placed it where I want it, got the color down. I'm going to go back in with that first color, Sand, and I'm going to go right over that middle section where they meet. So I'm kind of liking how this is looking. So now I'm going to go in to the outer corners and start to blend in some of my darker matte shadows. So just going back in with my same shades from the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going to just kind of tie the end of this look together. Alrighty guys, I went ahead and just finished up my face makeup. I pulled just some brown shadow onto my lower lash line to tie the eye completely together. I love how this looks. These pigments are literally insane. How freaking pretty are these? Like, are you kidding? Ugh. I'm going to go ahead and use Icy, the really white pigment, and I'm going to use that for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. So we're going to zoom in and do that right now. Okay, so I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. Okay, guys. I'm a big fan of like a really light reflective brow bone and inner corner highlight. I just think it's so pretty. Pop it on the inner corner. Have the brow bone and the inner corner highlight. I think that is stunning. I am so excited to use this more often because I love a white highlight for my eyes. Okay guys, I put on some lashes, and these are called The One, and they are from a brand called The Glam Times that I actually have coupon code with if you guys want to check them out. My code is Anna Grace and it gives you 15% off. The link will be down in the description. Alright guys, so we're wrapping up here. I thought it was only right to use my favorite highlighter ever, Anastasia X Amrezy. Alright, next we gotta do some lipstick. Alright, so I'm going to try Orange Blossom, which is that orangey warm tone lipstick. Okay, this color is so pretty. Alrighty guys, that is the makeup look completed. I love this. I literally never do neutral looks on myself, but this is so pretty. So yeah, I really love how this turned out. I really love the new products. So excited to go and use these more this summer. I do really want to try out and show you guys the Shimmer Body Oil, so I think I'm gonna go throw on a tube top and just like kind of put it on my body if you guys want to see that. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now that I look naked, I'm not, but now that I look naked, guys, I swear, I have a tube top on, okay? I'm really excited about this. I love a glowy body moment, so let's just try it out. It smells like tanning oil. Ugh, it smells like summer. Okay, this is so pretty. That is so pretty. Can you guys see that? If you can't see it super well, I am going to upload some pics on my Instagram, which I post on every day. So if you are not following me, definitely go check it out. But yeah, I will be uploading some pictures of this look on there, so you can go check those out. Alrighty guys, that is it for this review, unboxing, and tutorial. I am so excited about how this turned out. I love these products, honestly, so much. I am so excited to have these for the summer. Again, huge thank you to Anastasia and the whole team. Literally insane. I cannot believe this is my life right now. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like this video, you'll probably like my other ones, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. You could also give it a thumbs up. That would be awesome. Alright guys, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you're having a great summer, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.